If you're busy but stuck, your brain is running a sneaky safety script. You ever find yourself planning and organizing, thinking you're making progress, but not actually taking action? That's productive avoidance, and it's a trap. Imagine your prefrontal cortex as a pilot, proudly filing flight plans while the plane never leaves the runway. See, your brain loves checking boxes, giving you little hits of dopamine. It feels good, but what are you really achieving? Mixed signals make you feel productive without ever challenging yourself. Your brain's hidden question is, can I feel in control without being exposed to failure? The answer? Keep busy with low-stakes tasks. You know the feeling. Endless prep and note-taking without getting your hands dirty. But what this actually means is you're avoiding the fear of real exposure. And here's the part no one talks about. Now let's dive into what's happening behind the scenes in your brain. You know what's wild? Every time you finish a small task, like reorganizing your desk or checking another video off your list, your brain gives you a little dopamine hit. Think of dopamine as that golden liquid flowing through your brain, rewarding you for completion. But here's the trick. This reward system is skewed toward easy wins. Meanwhile, your amygdala is on constant alert, treating big tasks full of uncertainty or potential failure like a blaring fire alarm. It's no surprise then when decision fatigue sets in, your brain gravitates toward low-threat tasks. It's like a default setting, keeps you busy without the risk. Are you really getting ahead or just staying safe? And that's where things get really interesting. So here's the twist. Your brain isn't just avoiding hard tasks because they're scarier. It's optimizing for what we can call safety progress. It's like you're moving, but not forward, just in circles. You know what's wild? Overthinking becomes a ritual. It feels like control, but it's really avoidance with extra steps. It's the planning, the tweaking, the endless research. Feels productive, right? But it's like being on a hamster wheel. You're busy, you're exhausted, but you're not any closer to your goal. And pay attention to this. The readiness illusion. Your brain keeps shifting the goalpost. You tell yourself you need one more course, one more book, and then you'll be ready. But real progress? It's that messy first rep, the chance to stumble. Yet your brain convinces you that waiting is safer. Why risk exposure when you can research a little more? And that's where things get really interesting. Alright, so we've seen how your brain loves feeling safe. But how do you actually push yourself into real progress? Here's where it gets interesting. The secret is focusing on the one scary rep. It's that small action where the stakes feel real, like sending that email you've been avoiding or publishing a draft you're nervous about. These are the steps that count. And pay attention to this part. Use what researchers call implementation intentions. It sounds fancy, but it's simple. If it's 7:30 a.m. and I open my laptop, then I do 10 minutes of the scary rep before anything else. It's like setting a mini contract with yourself, and it really works. You know what's wild? The key is designing friction for distractions. Block those low-stakes dopamine traps like endless scrolling, and reward yourself only for actions linked directly to outcomes. Imagine a trail in tall grass. The scary rep path gets clearer every time you take it. The busy work path fades away. And that's where things get really interesting. So you've got your one scary rep lined up. But how do you know if you're truly moving forward? Here's a simple test. Ask yourself, did this increase exposure or reduce it? If you're just shuffling papers, you're not taking real steps. Track your progress by counting those scary reps each week, not the hours spent getting ready. It's all about consistent action. Small wins build big momentum. Each time you face that fear, you're refilling your brain's battery, not by doing prep work, but by doing what truly matters. Summing up, Define your scary rep, make it part of your routine, and watch your progress explode. If you want, comment the one goal you're busy around, and I'll help you find your one scary rep. Keep pushing past comfort and step into change.